Hey, good day to all of you. Hello, once again. This is another Linux operating system, and this is my first look into this operating system. And of course, this is the new version of the Big Linux. Let me see, what is the version of this Big Linux? Plasma version. Yeah, okay. This is Plasma version, but we need to know which version of Big Linux is this. Let's try to see what is the Big Linux distro. I think this is 2000. We don't have any information about this version of Big Linux. Yes, this is 2023. Probably it's July version, because I updated this one. That's why I have this notification on the other side, and I have two updates showing up right now, and so we will try to update this one, and at the same time I'll let you see this Neofetch that I have, the screen and the screenshot only. I don't have the camera right now because I haven't set up my camera yet, but of course I'll be back in the next video with a full camera and a display. But anyway, for the operating system of Big Linux, this is our first look in 2023. This is the latest version of Linux, Big Linux, with the kernel of Manjaro 6.1.38, and it is running on the DE, or the desktop environment. Why is it development? That's why I was like caught off guard. This is actually the desktop environment with Plasma, KDE Plasma 5.27.6. In my other computer I have 5.27.5 only, but right now I have the Plasma 5.27.6 already. So as you can see, I have this running right here at my AMD Ryzen 7 with 5700U with Radeon graphics, and at the same time with, of course, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with, of course, doubled with AMD ATI. So I have two graphics on board on this laptop computer that I have, and it is running in 16 gigabytes of the random access memory. It is just only like 5 minutes up, and it is running in the resolution of 1080. So the package manager is Pacman and Flatpaks. So, and let me go onto this another side of this. Yes, it is running on the graphics of X11. Yep, this is a laptop of Acer Aspire A715-42G version 1.10. So let me see what information that I have. Yes, this is Big Linux based on Manjaro Linux. I go back again to this platform for my videos because I think this is one of the beautiful and awesome operating system that I've been using, and I wanted to return to this as my daily driver. And of course, my students in Sanabin School in Khon Kaen, Thailand, right here in the northeast region, they say that this desktop is super awesome. So let's update this one. I already opened, so let me, yes, I have the big, okay, it's just only a update for the Happy Day Big Snow. It's a desktop FX actually, and a Firefox standalone web browser. So let's apply this one. This is how to update your Big Linux KDE Manjaro. Let's enter the super secret password, click enter, and then there you have it. We have an update. So let's just wait for the update to finished. Let's take a peek into this desktop. So let's try to see the awesome wallpaper first, because there always be like awesome wallpaper right here. And yeah, there's ton of it. I could not finish this one in just one run, but you have to really committed to watch this. All of this desktop wallpaper, they have a ton, not only just a bunch but a ton. So we have some abstract right here, some, oh my gosh, this is really awesome. It is not just only just a bunch of wallpaper. This is awesome. It is absolutely awesome. It has so many cute, and well, it is really awesome. I could not say anything bad. Let's just, and this is just one of the awesome. See, it is awesome. Let's just minimize this one. I know it is a lot, but it's totally different from your ordinary wallpapers. Damn. See, it's so cute. It is so cute. It is so cute. Absolutely cute. How about this one? Meow. How about this one? Hey doggy. How about a goldfish? It is super awesome. I could not finish all of this. I'm just gonna pretend that I could not finish this one. It is absolutely freaking awesome. See? This one is so cute. So prior to the 2023, we have the 2022. It is not like this. I think it is running right now in Rust right now. So that is pretty awesome right now. Yeah, I saw the Rust something ish. I totally agree with this one. It is awesome. It's just like, see, it is so awesome. It's so cute. But at least they have the old school type of wallpaper. It's still here. Yeah, this one, I remember this one. This one too. And this one. And of course, my favorite. They have awesome castles right here. Even though it's their graphics, that's awesome. Yeah, they have how many? Let me count this one. Oops. That is how many? One folder. 540 files. So come to think of it, they have a lot and a lot of awesome wallpaper. I could not say something bad. It's just awesome. Even this one. I'm speechless. Sorry. I'm supposed to be talking to you guys, but this is really awesome. I could not tell something bad about this one. It is freaking awesome. I think they really kill the cuteness right here. See? That is so funny. Fluffy aliens. How about the fluffy cats? Floppy plus. Floppy hamster. Even the gems, right? See? The jellyfish. Because this is based on Ubuntu and KDE. So, and Manjaro at the same time, Arch. So let me see if what kind of wallpaper should I put into this. Okay, I'll just use this one, the cat hacker, computer hacker. Oh, they still have the KDE mountain, so that's pretty awesome. They still have that one. So anyway, let me show you some of the files that I have right here. So instead of like randomly like from A to Z, we will just go to our folder on each category. We have the Chrome apps, which is I have right now. We have the CapCut web video editor. We also have the P, the photo editing application. We have the development for the GNOME boxes, and we have some games, the Steam, Lutris, Mines, and the card game. As you can see, as a default web browser, we have the Brave browser, Chromium. We have also the developer edition of the Firefox and the Firefox web browser, plus the FreeTube. Can also download with the QBitTorrent. Of course, RusDeck right here. And of course, I have Viver. So I already downloaded some of my multimedia software application like the Audacity, CapCut, the Gwen Viewer. I also have the Caden Live, OBS right now I'm using, plus the Simple Screen Recorder. I haven't finished set up the Simple Screen Recorder, but it will be up in the next few days. And at the same time, I have the video converter and the world famous VLC media player. For the Office folder, I have the LibreOffice and the Ocular, plus the OnlyOffice desktop editor. On the settings, we have the big store, the big control center, software updates, and the also the software center. For the system, I have the two virtuals, the GNOME boxes and the Oracle Virtual Box, plus the KDE Partition Manager console for the text terminal. I also have the K System Guard and the menu editor. This is where you actually edit your programs. And of course, I have the Dolphin, which is my Explorer. Let's click this one in the menu editor. So right now I have Photopea and the CapCut video editor on my Chromium application. For the developer, I still also have the virtual machine. Let's go back to the menu. Utilities, we have the calculator arc plus the emoji selector, device mount, alarm, text editor, plus the KDE utilities, finding of your application. We also have the PDF scanner and the printer. Spectacle, as you know, it was the screen recorder or the screenshot. On the web app, we have a lot of application right here. As you know it, we have the big forum plus the Amazon Music. We have the PDF music at the same time. Discord, document translator, Facebook, Instagram, and all of your social medias and social network. We also have the Spotify, the Snapdraft for my transfer of files, Prime videos from Amazon, even Photopea here, Twitter, and a lot more. How about the Google web apps? It is also here, so no problem with it, right? So this is the desktop of the Big Linux 2023 July version. We have a lot of tons right here. So how do you add like this one on the clock and the dates? So you just click onto your right click and then click widgets and then open the widgets and type right here. Before that, of course, you have to click this one. So let's go to the widget. Will not download any new widget because the internet is so slow that is affecting our ability to search some of your widgets on the web or in their repository. So let's try to search, like for example, if you want to have some clocks right here, we have the modern, that one. Let's right click and then edit mode. Let's remove that one. No problem for the notification. Let's open. We have the Big Linux battery. Okay, let's remove this one because it is costing our desktop. So we have different types of indication right here, so you just play with it. This is all the widgets that I already download. We have the mic noise reduction. This is one of my best desktop environment. So you have also different set of desktop right here. Just open your control center, open this one, and then you can select your themes right here, but at the same time you could click the desktop and you have 6 desktop to choose from. So I use the classic KDE Plasma, but you can also change it into your favorite KUnity. Let's just click KUnity. As you can see, you have the KUnity is really awesome. How about the new? The new is also here. Let's close this one. How about the next G or next generation? The menu is already down right here, and the desktop X. How about the modern? Let's click. Oh wow, it's really awesome. I prefer the desktop X and the classic one. This is the desktop X. As you can see, the dock latte right here, the launcher down here at the center bottom. We also have the the dock up here with the time. So I prefer the classic. So let's resume that one. I really like this one, so let's close this one. Yeah, I forgot to. How about the theme, desktop, and settings? Performance mode. Should I close the performance mode? Yeah, let's. And you have the option if you wanted to enable your number lock in your system setup if you enter it. So you can also hide the grab bootloader plus block the editing. For me, I prefer to unblock the settings because I always tinker with it. And also open this one, sounds, mic, snap, drops, no required apps. The introduction of the big Linux, the screen monitors setup, and the kernel installation. So you have all this option, of course. Let's go to info center. The info center, yes, that is my info center for my big Linux. So you have the partition at the same time, another partition right here. This is the KDE and this is the genome. So there's two are actually the same function. This is really awesome. I nearly forgotten to introduce to you the desktop environment that they have, that you can switch from one desktop to another desktop if you don't like the other one. So big improvement from the big Linux operating system. I really dig into this in 2023. 2021 and 2022 I've been using this also, big Linux, but I haven't updated it for quite a while already. So that is my this is my first time to look into 2023 installer, and eventually I just put it into my desktop. As you can see, I have the KDE Manjaro, the big Linux, the Mint, and the Windows. Yeah, I still have the Windows for performance and for testing. So anyway, that's it for now for my first look for this episode. First look into big Linux 2023 July version. This is the latest and I just updated and I really dig into this. Conclusion on this desktop. Well, we have this beautiful desktop environment from KDE Plasma plus the Manjaro kernel plus the big Linux operating system, of course, from the GNU Linux. And my conclusion, it is awesome. It is really awesome. This is friendly to new user. As you can see, it is well, cute, maintained, and not only maintained properly but also a good sense of design. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm Blair. Catch another episode of Operating System OS next time. I'm Blair, saying bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That's why science is cool. Ciao.